Hallo, einen herzlichen Gruß aus Deutschland. And in English, hello, a big greetings from Germany to you. My name is Javier Blanco. I came from Spain. I'm born in Spain, but I grew up in Germany. And now I live in the south of Germany on the border to Switzerland. And I will come in March and have a time to share my life and my heart with you on the conference. You know, the conference, Step Out of the Boat. It will be a possibility and an opportunity for you to find answers and to get some ideas how it can be and how you can do it to step out of your boat. The Lord is a big plan master. And He has also a plan for you. And He loves you. And He will see how He can make things possible in your life. I'm 53 years old. I have 7 children. And God grace, I will be grandfather for my first time in April. My children, from the little one to the oldest one, are walking with the Lord. And I will tell you something. I have a great queen in my house. That's my wife. And she takes care about all. I will enjoy the time with you. And if you have questions to me, you can ask me whatever you want. I will enjoy the time not only being there with you, I will tell you what it means to step out of the boat. And I will share with you my 53 years in life and 40 years with the Lord. So I hope to see you there in March in Ohio, and I hope that we get time to talk to another. And in this point, I will say, auf Wiedersehen, ciao, und wir sehen uns in Ohio.